Hello and good Tuesday afternoon. I hope you're doing well. And I thought I'd bring you along for a little bit of clue book play. I have to laugh because most of the time, not every time, but most of the time that I go to film, there is some type of interruption. Whether it's the fiance, the phone, or someone shows up, or something, but it never fails. Do you guys have that problem too? I don't have any idea what I'm going to lay down on top of these, but I know I would like them down. I have a pile to the right of me and a pile to the left of me, so I am sure there's something in that pile that we can put in here. I am sure. So I want to take a minute and welcome and thank all the new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. I am very, very appreciative. When I first started my channel, which was like, oh my gosh, years ago, I just did things here and there, and when I first started it, and then I got into junk journaling and doing like flip throughs and stuff like that. But my goal was never, my main goal was to do this for fun, and if somebody wanted to subscribe and watch, that's fine. And if not, then that's fine too. But I never would have imagined that I would have, and some people would be like, well, you don't really have that many subscribers, but to me, I do. And I'm very happy and I'm very thankful for that. And I want to thank even the people that have, my subscribers that have been with me for a while. Just thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm very thankful for that, and I hope that I have content or videos that you guys like to watch. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. So let's put that piece down. Trying not to get all mushy and squishy and get all emotional about about everything, because I am a very emotional person. So alright, so I have some images over here. I don't know what we're gonna use. We got bluish purplish dragon. I think he likes strawberries. And we got a girl here doing the hula. The hula hula. So I really do not know what. What do I got over here? I got a clock. I got a little boy peeking through the rainforest. Probably in his imagination, he's in the big rainforest searching for a lost temple. I don't know. I just feel like kind of random. Let's see what else. Or maybe just maybe he's looking for a bird that's going extinct, and just maybe. And this girl right here is his partner, and she's gonna lasso the bird. Yeah, you never know. It could happen. But they will let it go. They just want to do what the wildlife biologists do and take their measurements and make sure it's healthy and no harm in no way. I don't know if wildlife biologists do that, but I think they do. And here it's getting past their lunchtime and they're getting hungry, so they gotta hurry up and move on. Oh my word. I was wondering when I was going to be able to get to use this bird. It's a beautiful bird. The wind is blowing like crazy out there today. And we've got some snow blowing around, and ever since I got home from work, it's been kind of a lazy day today. It's just one of those days, and it's dark, and it's already dark out, and it's only just turning 4 p.m. So whoops, I had a glue glop, beep boop bop. I woke up in a mood this afternoon. I had a nice little nap, and apparently I woke up in a mood. Being silly girl. Which is totally allowed here. It is totally allowed to be silly. Do I want the clock up there or down here? I need something else. What about a flower? We could put the flower under here and the clock up there. Ugh. We don't have a lot of snow out there, but just kind of flurrying. Little flurries. I got a label. I got this. I gotta keep track of my time too, because I only have a certain amount of time that I can film on my camera. Oh, let's get this down and we'll see. I need another glue stick. This one is to the end. I'm going to trim this, or I can rip it. It doesn't need to be trimmed. I like ripping. I like the unclean look of the things being ripped on the edges and stuff. So I got these in a thing from the school that I work at. It was a thing to tell time, to teach kids how to tell time. And there was a whole stack, like, of different clocks with different, well, they're the same clock, but there are different times on them. Here's another one. And then it says the time on the back, and I just cut the clock out. Maybe we'll put that there. All right. Oops, we don't need none of my hair on there. Nope, we don't need none of that. Well, I'm just looking through to see what else I got here. I got a little chart kind of 2 types of flowering plants, and it shows the seed and the leaf. So I don't know, maybe we'll put that on there somewhere. Doing a real messy job of this. I might not even use it. Maybe we'll just use the leaf. Put that right there. Just because I have a little space right here. And I just want to cover it up a little bit. There. There, I like that. I like that little page. Just the way it is. I don't think I'll add any more. What do you guys think? I'll show you up close so you can see the layers and stuff. But there you go. That was a lot of fun and very, very relaxing. So thank you guys. Oh, look at this cute little image. Isn't that sweet? Maybe I'll do another one today. I'm in the mood to glue in my book, so maybe I'll do another video. I'll probably upload it tomorrow, but I'll get one done. Alrighty, ladies. Thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me, and I hope that you have a wonderful week, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.